India, a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and unparalleled diversity. This vast subcontinent, the seventh largest in the world, is a geographical marvel. It sprawls across an impressive 3.287 million square kilometers. Nestled in South Asia, India is a tapestry woven from a multitude of landscapes. Find India on a map and you'll see it embraced by countries that share its rich heritage. To the northwest lies Pakistan. Look north and you'll find China and Nepal, the towering Himalayas forming a natural border. Bhutan sits to the northeast, while Bangladesh and Myanmar grace its eastern edge, and to the south, India meets the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean. This unique location has made India a crossroads of cultures. It's a place where ancient civilizations met and mingled, leaving behind a legacy that continues to captivate the world. But India's geography is not just about location. It's about the very land itself and the forces that have shaped it over millennia. This is a journey across the diverse landscapes of India. We will explore towering mountains and fertile plains. We will journey down life-giving rivers and explore deserts that shimmer under a scorching sun. Join us as we unravel the geographical wonders of this incredible nation. The northernmost reaches of India are dominated by a sight that takes your breath away, the Himalayas. These majestic mountains, among the youngest on our planet, stand as sentinels, their snow-capped peaks piercing the sky. Stretching from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east, the Himalayas are home to some of the world's highest peaks. Among them stands the mighty Kangchenjunga, its summit soaring 8,586 meters above sea level. But the Himalayas are more than just a breathtaking backdrop. They are a vital part of India's ecosystem. They act as a natural barrier, shielding the subcontinent from cold winds blowing down from Central Asia. These mountains also give birth to some of India's most important rivers, including the Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. As we descend from the towering heights of the Himalayas, we encounter a very different landscape, the Indo-Gangetic Plain. This vast expanse of flat, fertile land stretches across northern India. It's a region shaped by the very rivers born in the Himalayas. The Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, carrying with them rich alluvial soil, have nurtured this land for centuries. The Indo-Gangetic Plain is India's breadbasket, a region of intense agricultural activity that supports a vast population. The Ganges River, flowing through the heart of this plain, is more than just a water source. It's a sacred river, a lifeline, and a silent witness to the ebb and flow of life in India. But India's geography is a story of contrasts. South of the fertile plains, the land rises again to form the Peninsular Plateau. This ancient landmass, covering a significant portion of central and southern India, is a region of rolling hills, plateaus, and valleys. The Deccan Plateau, the heart of the Peninsular Plateau, is a mineral-rich land, a testament to the geological forces that have shaped this subcontinent. India's rivers are more than just geographical features. They are lifelines, courses of ancient civilizations, and sources of spiritual inspiration. The vast majority of these rivers can be divided into two major groups, the Himalayan rivers and the Peninsular rivers. The Himalayan rivers, originating from the snow and ice melt of the Himalayas, are characterized by their perennial flow. The Ganga, the Yamuna, and the Brahmaputra, with their numerous tributaries, form a complex network of waterways that sustain life across northern India. These rivers, fed by the glaciers and monsoon rains, are the lifeblood of the Indo-Gangetic Plain. They irrigate vast agricultural lands and provide water for millions. In contrast, the peninsular rivers, shorter and less voluminous, are largely dependent on the monsoon rains. The Godavari, the Krishna, and the Narmada are some of the major rivers that flow through the Peninsular Plateau. These rivers, while often seasonal in their flow, play a crucial role in the lives of millions of people living in central and southern India. They support agriculture, provide water for domestic and industrial use, and shape the cultural landscape of the region. The rivers of India, from the mighty Ganga to the seasonal streams that crisscross the Deccan Plateau, are a testament to the interconnectedness of nature and human life. They are reminders that water, the elixir of life, is a precious resource that demands our respect and conservation. India's diverse geography is reflected in its equally diverse climate. From the tropical rainforests of the Western Ghats to the icy heights of the Himalayas, India experiences a wide range of climatic conditions. The tropical climate dominates most of the country. Coastal regions, caressed by the warm waters of the Indian Ocean, experience high humidity and relatively moderate temperatures throughout the year. However, the most defining feature of India's climate is the monsoon. The southwest monsoon, arriving in June, brings with it life-giving rains that drench the parched land. This annual cycle of rain is crucial for agriculture, replenishing water sources and sustaining life across the subcontinent. But the monsoon can also be a force of destruction. Excessive rainfall can lead to widespread flooding, displacing communities and causing extensive damage. Conversely, the failure of the monsoon can result in debilitating droughts, impacting agriculture and livelihoods. India's diverse climate supports a remarkable variety of vegetation. From the lush evergreen rainforests of the Western Ghats and the northeast to the dry deciduous forests of central India, the country is a botanist's paradise. The Himalayan region, with its altitudinal variation, is home to a unique range of flora, from alpine meadows to coniferous forests. This rich tapestry of vegetation supports an equally diverse array of wildlife. India is home to iconic animals, including tigers, lions, elephants, and rhinoceroses. However, this rich biodiversity faces numerous challenges.